cloudy, rainy winter's day at McNeese, my old alma mater. Graduated here in 2003, and I graduated from there, the College of Business. I graduated and I got a finance degree with a concentration in economics because I like economics so much. And I've been able to use what I learned from McNeese in my analysis and my blogging that I do on Facebook, and it helps people who read my blogs. They take it into consideration, and if they like it and their other economic advisors like it, they use it. And there I am. Look, I'm just like a street bum. Not really. I need to shave. And this is where I went to school. But now, since I got a hurt back, I can't work. Not 40 hours a week. Excuse me. I'm self-employed, and I'm about to get disability. I'm into music now, and I do electronic dance music, and I do industrial, redneck ghetto sounding music. It's like a cross between industrial and kind of a country twang in some of it, and with hip hop. That's what it is, and breakbeats. My other artist is DJ Rizzo, and that's like breakbeats and house music and stuff like that. Peace.